iOS 26.4 has officially arrived, and it is a massive update that polishes the liquid glass design language while adding some surprisingly powerful AI tools. Before we dive into the details, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on the latest tech. One of the standout additions in this release is Playlist Playground in Apple Music. This beta feature uses on-device intelligence to build entire playlists based on your text prompts. You can simply describe a vibe, like chilling on a rainy Tuesday in a coffee shop, and the system generates a 25-song track list complete with a custom title and description, all tailored to your specific listening history. Speaking of music, the update also introduces a new Concerts Discovery tab that connects your library to local live shows, and a clever offline music recognition tool. This allows your iPhone to identify songs even without an internet connection, saving the result to your history and notifying you once you're back online. On your home screen, you'll also notice the new ambient music widgets. These provide one-tap access to curated sleep, chill, and productivity soundscapes that help you focus or wind down without needing to dig through the music app. Beyond audio, iOS 26.4 brings heavy-hitting productivity and safety updates. Freeform has now been integrated into the Apple Creator Studio, gaining advanced AI tools like super resolution to upscale your images and auto-crop to fix framing instantly. For your peace of mind, stolen device protection is now enabled by default for all users, adding mandatory biometrics and security delays for sensitive changes. Communication is also getting smoother with the expansion of live translation to 17 new languages in Messages and the rollout of Hold Assist, which monitors your calls and alerts you the moment a human representative joins the line. Finally, the update includes a collection of smaller but highly requested refinements. You'll find 8 brand new emojis, including a highly detailed orca, a trombone, and a distorted face for those chaotic moments. The Health app has restored blood oxygen data to the vitals graph and added a sleep highlight that compares your last night's rest to your 2-week average. Apple has also quietly fixed a persistent keyboard bug that caused missed characters during fast typing, making the overall experience feel faster and more responsive than ever.